Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron na naman tayong review from Engineering Mathematics. This time, this came from Analytic Geometry. So lagi tayong bumalik sa fundamentals para ma-master natin yung mga yun para in terms of the complicated problems, mas hindi na tayo mahihirapan. Analyzation na lang. So two lines intersect at an angle of 135 degrees, which the terminal line has a slope of -4. Find the slope of the other line. So let us recall, paano ba kinukuha Sir IJ yung angle between two lines? So let us recall that the tangent of the angle between two lines is equal to the differences of the slopes m2 minus m1 all over 1 plus m1 m2. Ano ba yung m1? M1 is the initial line and the terminal line is the second slope. Ganun po siya. And yung theta natin is the intersection, angle of intersection ng dalawang lines natin. So ganun lang siya. So dahil ang binigay is -4 daw po yung slope ng terminal line, it follows that m2 equals -4. So how do we do that? So it's just merely substitution. We have tangent 135 degrees equals m2, which is -4 minus m1 all over 1 plus the product of m1 and the -4. Alam natin na kapag kinumpute natin si tangent 135 degrees, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung calcu, or kung kabisado nyo naman, yung sa unit circle, walang problema. So tangent 135 degrees, that is -1, equals -4 minus m1 all over 1 minus 4 m1. And then cross multiply, 1 times -1, that's -1, negative times negative, that's positive. Although pwede nyo nang i-shift solve itong mga logics, ha? Napaka-importante lang talaga ng mga fundamentals natin. So ano na mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? So what will happen is that we will have 4m1 plus m sub 1 equals -4 plus 1. Dilipat ko lang po. So 5m1 equals -3. So computing for the first or the slope of the other line, that is -3 over 5. Recall lang talaga siya. So the correct answer for this problem is letter A. Ito po yung formula ng angle between two lines. So tangent theta equals slope of the terminal line minus slope of the initial line all over 1 plus the product of the slopes, in which this equation or this formula just came from the difference identity of tangent. So thank you so much sa mga Lodi Geeks natin. Sana patuloy kayong sumuporta sa channel natin and more math and engineering related tutorials sa mga susunod. Kita-kits mga Lodi Geeks. God bless and keep safe.